Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to be going over what is first person point of view. Okay, so first person point of view is where the story is being told by the narrator. The narrator is part of the actual story. They're involved in it and we see it through their point of view, right? So the point of view is seeing the story through the narrator's eyes. Okay, so to go further into first person point of view, you have to realize that the first person point of view is going to be based off of the character's moods, their opinions, past experiences, and their bias. They can be biased to whatever it is, and we only see that because we're seeing through their eyes and through their mind and what they're thinking. This is Creative Writing Lessons. This is where I give you tips and tricks to writing a successful story, especially for beginners. If you're loving this content, don't forget to like and subscribe this video so I can keep pumping out these amazing videos. Alright, let's continue the video. Okay, so let's dive into an example, right? So here I did a quick, brief, a simple example of what a first person point of view is, and that here I put is, for example, if a person was bullied throughout school and that bully ends up changing for the better, right? They become like a good person, they try to help maybe stop people from being bullied. Well, when the character who was bullied is talking about them, we're going to get their biased opinion. Even if the person changed, we're going to know that this person is an evil person, that this person hates him, that there's no way he changed, he's only doing it for some other reason, and that's because we're getting from the narrator's point of view, what they're thinking, and we see only through their eyes. So that's why sometimes first person point of view won't show the whole entire story, just what's in the narrator's head. Hey, so I've come up with my own kids book series, which I have self-published on Amazon. If you have Kindle Unlimited, you can get these books for free. If not, it also is available on paperback. So far, this book is 2 out of the 4, which I might have more, but as of now, the story is written up to 4 because the third one's being edited. The first 2 are published, and the 4th book is currently being written by yours truly. I'll have that link in the description below. Okay, so the last thing I want to go over for this video is how to clarify what is a first person point of view. And that is going to be looking for these 2 key words, I and we. When you look for these 2 keywords, you'll know it's in first person point of view because, again, the story is being told through the narrator's eyes, so it's their eyes. So what are they doing? I is how they're going to be talking because they're not talking about anybody else in the story. It's like, I did this, this happened to me, etc., right? And then they use we because if they're in a group, right, more than one, is we strolled on through the beach, you know, or oh, we all went to jump through the pool and we all dove in at the same time, almost hitting each other, and we all came out laughing at the end of the night. You know, something like that. So you're using I's and you're using we's to know what first person point of view is. Thank you guys for watching this video. Let's go over all the key factors of what makes a first person point of view. And that's going to be the uses of I and the use of we. With those 2, you can tell whether the story is in first person point of view. And remember, you cannot always trust the first person point of view because the narrator could be biased. We're going based off of their opinions, their moods, and also based off their past experiences. But that's also what helps us connect to the character a little bit better. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to learn more about point of view, you can check out the past video about a brief explanation of first, second, and third person point of view. If you want to learn more about literary devices, which a point of view is a literary device, you can check out the playlist right here. And don't forget to help a small content creator by hitting that subscribe button right above me. I appreciate it. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys on my next video. May the force be with you always.